motivate. No curry, we just trying to keep our minds in a golden state. We answer to nobody but the Lord, we control our fate. Too many things to see just to sit in a hole and bake. We growing, ayy.
Life is a journey, and the world is your map. Every step forward is a step closer to discovering who you are and what you're capable of. We're leaving excuses behind and embracing the unknown, because true growth happens outside of our comfort zone. My last series, Against All Odds, was about defying challenges. This new chapter, Travel and Motivate, is about taking the spirit further, turning every destination into a lesson, every horizon into hope. The road may be tough, but the rewards are endless. Let's rise, let's explore, and let's motivate. The world is waiting for us, so let's go get it. Yo, Cartagena. Man, this is definitely a highlight of the trip thus far. One of the many highlights. Like, I've had so much fun here in Colombia, man. Like, so much cool shit to do for so cheap too. If you guys ever want to do an island tour where you go around the Rosario Islands, the other islands, there's a ton of islands by Cartagena. That's about $75 to $100 each person. So it's not a bad idea. In fact, it's a great idea. Like, you can go to many countries in the world. You can go to Europe, and for a boat tour, that's gonna cost you way more than $100. You know what I mean? And this is a dope trip. It comes with lunch, you get drinks. What more else can you want? And then you get this view over here. I mean, look at that. You see the Cartagena skyline over there? Yeah, man, this is dope. I'm liking this so far, man. Definitely try it out. Definitely try the boat tour.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind, just to keep this moment till the end of time. 'Cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. Oh man, you make it feel like that.
What's up, guys? I'm with my friend.
Hi, my name is Anna. Hi guys, how are you?
So, Anna, tell them what you do.
Okay, I'm a tour guide. This is a 5-stop tour. So if you want to really know the Rosario Island and have a really great and nice experience, excellent experience, come with us. My name is Ana, I'm the tour guide. And remember, 5-stop tour to the Rosario Island. Come visit us, guys.
It's a lot of fun, and I'll put everything in the description center, right? So that way you guys can check it out.
Go to the description to check it out for more information, okay?
All right.
Bye.
Tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Oh, bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me.
Yeah, guys, this is our last day in Cartagena, and we're doing a boat tour of all the islands. Well, 5 islands, that is. We got one more left, which is Cholon, I forgot what it's called. But supposedly it's the Lit Island, so I can't wait to check that out. So far, good vibes. As you guys saw, our tour guide is cool as hell. So far, all the islands are very beautiful. Dogs everywhere. The vendors haven't been as bad, right? So I'm liking it. Honestly, it's cool. So for $100, I mean, guys, you get to see all the islands. You're safe. You're with a tour guide. An hour per each island that you get to spend around. You get to roam around the island a little bit for an hour. It's not bad. It's not bad. Crystal clear water. Can't really complain. And plus the pups, the doggos. Look at this. Get to see the doggos. Not that bad at all, guys. For sure. They be going in the water, bro. These dogs are not scared of water, man.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It burns, so give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. Don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Ooh, who needs a job to pay the rent is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Just make it go away. Can't take another day. Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It hurts, so give him something worse to pass the time. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna
As we sail away from the Rosario Islands, we've not only explored new horizons, but embraced the freedom that travel brings. The journey is just beginning, and this first episode of Travel and Motivate marks the start of something powerful. From the party boat vibes to the unforgettable views of Cartagena, Colombia, we've proven that life's greatest experiences are out there waiting for us to take the plunge. Remember, every trip is more than just a destination. It's a chance to grow, challenge ourselves, and inspire others along the way. This is only the start. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and let's keep pushing the boundaries. The world is yours. Let's go claim it.